Hey everyone, welcome to our first video on this channel. This one is the best online tool for colorizing images. It's called Palette. This tool converts black and white images to colored images. This helps you to convert your old black and white photos to colored photos. You can access this tool by searching the palette.fm. It can simply use for anyone. First, click the Upload Image button and upload the image on your drive, or the easiest way is to drag and drop your image file into the page. It will first analyze objects seen in your uploaded photo. Then the base palette is generated the colorization image. As you can see, this image looks realistic compared with black and white photo. Now the photo is looked finely good. When the cursor is placed over the image, I will show text at the bottom of the image. In the text, there are some notes about what it thinks it sees in the photo. You can edit these text prompts by clicking the Edit button on the right side of the page. I will remove the last text and add HDR as an example. Then clicking the Colorize button, you can see the changes in the photo. When you click on Surprise Me, then you will get a random set of prompts based on your photo. Along the top of the page, there are some other filters you can use, like Lavender Dusk, Colorful Memories, Royal Vibes, and some other filters. By selecting other filters, you can increase realistic in your photo more than the base palette. Also, you can redo and undo any changes you applied. To save the image to your computer, click the Download button at the bottom of the screen and give it to name Then click on the Save. I put the link to Palette website in the description down below. Finally, if you learned how to colorize black and white photos, subscribe and click the bell to find out about more newest videos in Prime Quick. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.